I'm Comrade Babu Owino, and tomorrow there will be a grandmother of all the demonstrations, the continuation of public participation that has been ongoing in the streets where Kenyans are expressing their grievances rightfully. And tomorrow at the same time we will be having the third reading of the draconian finance bill. I want to take this opportunity to tell my colleagues, fellow members of parliament, that tomorrow you have a last chance to make it right. That which you made wrong last week, tomorrow is a D-Day where you should vote no. We have a total of around 70 amendments that shall be coming on the floor of the House tomorrow. Those amendments should be placed aside. We want all members of parliament to reject this finance bill in totality. In totality, the whole finance bill should be suspended or expelled. We don't want that finance bill because it is draconian. It is not in the interest of the common mwananchi. To fellow Kenyans, I urge you tomorrow, as we will be in parliament, be in the streets. Express grievances there. That is where the great solution lies. I know the Kenya Kwanza regime is bribing members of parliament to vote yes for this bill, the finance bill. Should this bill be passed, and should this bill be taken to the president by the speaker for assent to sign it into law, we will go to court. We will ensure that the president does not assent to it, and we will ensure that at the same time it is not implemented. And therefore we will occupy each and every institution that has our solution in this nation. To all universities, colleges, every examination that is being taken at the university as at now should be suspended. All comrades who are also Gen Zs, you must come out from different parts of this country, wherever you are, anywhere there is a college, anywhere there is a university, you must come out and fight for your rights. Come out and fight for the rights of other fellow Kenyans. All vice chancellors, make sure universities are closed up to such a time that we will tell you to open them again, because as at now Kenyans are hungry and are angry. A comrade cannot read while that comrade is disturbed. And I want to tell you that after this finance bill, Kenyans, Gen Zs, comrades, millennials, any other person, let us also unite and fight against this new funding model for education. A parent cannot afford 300,000 to take a university, to take a student to the university. That is so wrong, and the next war should be lowering the cost of university, if not demanding that it should be free. And because we were promised free education by the Kenya Kwanza government, high school should be free, university should be free, colleges should be free, and therefore we are in support. So kesho, comrades, on the streets, wherever you will be on the streets. Any other Kenyan, wherever you will be, just be on the streets. That is where the solution is.